Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you top tricks for your headphones Beats Fit Pro. And the first one, if you have iOS device, you don't need to install the application. You just open settings and click on your headphones here and you have a lot of features here. Because on Android you should install the application. Now, the second one, also for iOS, these headphones have bass boost and you can enable it in the settings. In the Android application we have no equalizer, so only this way. Next one, these headphones have noise cancellation, so you can enable it and use it in the application and right here on iOS devices. Next one, transparency mode. These headphones also have it, so if you want to speak with somewhere, you don't need to remove your headphones, just enable this transparency mode and you can speak with people. Next one, these headphones have ear tip fit test, so you can turn on it and check is everything okay or not, take some feedback here, so I guess it's also cool. Next one, I test a microphone on these headphones, and these headphones have a really good microphone. You can hear yourself clearly when you speak normally or softly, and also it mutes street sound, so you can easily use it at the street when you're walking somewhere. And also you can change the microphone, so by default it's swapped between left one and right one, but you can right here change it for the left one or right one. Also, you have special audio, so I guess it's a cool one, and on Android devices you just enable it in the settings, and on iOS devices you add it, you make it personalized, so I guess it's a cool one also. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!